Hi everyone, welcome. I am really glad to release the first copy of Polity Simplified, written by me to Shri Israel Jebasingh, who is an ex-IAS officer of the 2004 batch and director at Officers IAS Academy.
So happy to see this book, Polity Simplified by Rangarajan R. So how is it different from because there are a lot of books in the market. How is it different? How your Polity Simplified is different from the other materials?
Yeah, so Polity Simplified, as the name suggests, is meant to simplify. It has a lot of unique features. It has, all the important areas for the prelims point of view are shaded in grey for easy revision. There are mnemonics which are creative and easy to understand.
Mnemonics also actually very useful then.
And it is easy to understand. There are solved previous year questions of both prelims and mains with explanation and even approach to answer writing and model answer. Oh. So those are the unique features of this comprehensive courseware.
Very good, very good. So why it's called courseware?
Yeah, so for that, this is the gateway to the courseware. This book is the gateway to the courseware. But once somebody purchases this book, over and above this comprehensive book of just 450 pages for the entire syllabus, you can scratch code which is given. And if you can just take your phone for a second, you just need to scan the QR code which is available in the book.
Okay.
It will take you to the McGraw-Hill Edge platform. And
it's asking for a coupon code.
Yes, so you can just type this coupon code EDGE UPSC
Edge UPSC
PS 100539.
100539.
Yes, so, and once you apply it, it will ask for a checkout.
Yes.
Please press the checkout, and if you do not have an existing account, there is a create new account at the bottom where you go and you enter your email ID and you can create a password after you enter the OTP. And then it will take to the McGraw-Hill Edge platform where the following features are present.
So after you give the OTP and you create a password, you log in to your McGraw-Hill Edge platform. It will take you to the main page of the courseware, which is Polity Simplified. And once you click on that, it can be accessed in a laptop as well as in your mobile phone. So there are two devices up to which it can be used. So both in your laptop and your mobile phone. So there are 50 conceptual videos. If you see here, the list of 50 conceptual videos for the 28 chapters are listed down. This is how the videos look like. And if you press play, it will start playing the videos. There are additional learning material, articles of constitution listed down at a glance, summary of constitutional and non-constitutional bodies, case laws, etc. So that is the additional learning material, and this is the practice test. Chapter wise, there is an online exercise which is given. So after you read a chapter, you can go and take the test. You can attempt and you can mark the answer for all the questions, and you can submit the exercise, and after the test is completed, you can go and review the questions. The correct answers will be marked in green. If you are given a wrong answer, it will be marked in red. You can also look at the explanation for the answers that are being given. So, and the most significant feature is the current updates, which is coming soon. So every month there will be a video and a PDF document for current events relating to polity that will be updated in this current update section.
Oh, wonderful. Polity Simplified will be very, very useful for the aspirants, and it is so much exam point of view, so handy for revision with previous year questions. So it should be very, very useful for the aspirants. So best wishes.
Thank you.